everyone. We are standing at this beautiful pool at Taj Vivanta Dwarka. Thank you so much, Taj, for being such great venue partners. We cannot thank you enough. Well, we are continuing our interview round here, and I've got Gayatri with me. Hi, Gayatri. How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine.
Okay. So, Gayatri, why don't you start with talking about yourself? How about telling me about your family, your kids, your career?
Sure. I'm from Bangalore, beautiful city of Bangalore. I'm a postgraduate and I have a 15 years experience in sales and marketing. My husband is a pediatrician and I have a 13-year-old son.
Wow, you've been into sales and marketing.
Yeah, 15 years. I was with Taj Group of Hotels.
Are you kidding me? So,
No, not really.
so you feel at home, I guess.
Yes.
So, what about your career? So, did your husband let you work, or you were adamant, or he was very supportive? Just
Okay.
we're not doing husband bashing, but you can just talk about your life after marriage.
Okay. No, I've been working before the marriage, so I continued working till I had my son. So it is like 15 years over a period of time, but my husband always has been supportive and he wants me to work even today.
Very nice, very nice. So, beauty pageants, how do they fit into your life?
I've been always attracted to glamorous life and I like modeling. So that's how I get connected to the beauty pageants.
So, I think we all love modeling. Did you ever model, or you just had it in your heart, a little dream that at some point
Yes.
I got to do this?
Yes, I had always been attracted to modeling, and I think it's in my blood. I think the way I.
But you
pose
didn't
and-
model
No, I have done.
professional.
Yes, I have done.
Long time before
Yeah,
marriage.
before marriage, college times. And
So now
then
after this long break, how do you feel?
I feel good. It feels nice that I'm back into the place where I've always wanted to be, in the limelight.
So was there a little bit of, lack of confidence that, okay, maybe will I be able to get back into it, or
Yes, it was.
will I look good in it? So now after coming here, these last 3 days, how do you say they've changed your life? Because I know everyone is feeling, this is a changing experience. So explain.
Yes, this opportunity came to me. Like I started with Mrs. Karnataka 2 months back.
Uh-huh.
Then I was the top 5, and then I got connected with Jyotsna Venkatesh, and she introduced me to MIB2, and she said, "Why don't you go for this now since you are a finalist?" And then from there the story started. So here I am today.
Very
I'm so
nice.
happy to be here today.
So it's
And
all worth it.
yes, too much.
So what have you learned?
See, it has been a mixed experience for me from posing. So it's all been like, and swimsuit I never worn in my life. So it was like first time I said, oh my God, I'm wearing a swimsuit today. I'm so confident, like I can
But
carry
aren't
on.
you happy that finally you got over that barrier? You know, that swimsuit, we always feel like,
Yeah,
oh my
like,
God.
yeah, I don't have a body to flaunt like
Or
that.
yeah, like a body
So,
image
yeah,
kind of an
yes,
issue, where swimsuits always scare women. And they don't have to be tacky. It's how you carry it, and there are so many different options,
Yeah,
to wear
correct.
swimsuits. So now tell me, after this,
Lot of things gonna happen in my life. It's gonna change my life forever, and I think I should be doing more into media, modeling, and more pageants.
so you've got, how you taste blood, so it's like,
Yeah, it's like it's
I'm
gonna
supposed
a
to be
long-
doing this.
long road to success.
Very nice, very nice. Well, thank you so much, Gayatri.
Thank you so much.
Before we stop, we forgot to ask you the tricky questions. Because every girl is a winner,
Yeah,
and she also thinks that
yeah.
deep down that, you know what, she's going to win.
okay.
So tell me, who's your toughest competitor?
I think all are good. All are winners.
That's very sweet,
Yeah.
but come on,
Tough.
let's not be so sweet for some time.
Maybe Shalini. I think so. And
Anyone else?
Ruth.
So only two. Cool. Who do you think is just wasting their time here? They're really not learning. They're just not paying attention, and they're just distracting everyone.
Not sure, but I think Dr. Suman, I think so.
And what about somebody who's very overconfident? She just thinks she is the queen and she's going to win.
Aditi,
Okay, I love gathering all this information. How about the worst dressing sense?
I think Dr. Suman again.
Okay, I think we will close with that. Well, thank
Yeah,
you so
thank
much,
you.
Gayatri, and appreciate your honest answers.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Hello, everyone. We are sitting at the Tipple Lounge at Taj Vivanta, Dwarka. And this is such a beautiful place, and we are doing our interview round from here. With me, I have Abhimanika. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
So,
Thank you.
what brings you to Mrs. India Beauty Queen?
All right. I never expected first place. I would get selected here and try something like that. So when I got a call from your guys, I was a little skeptical. Would I be able to go ahead and do something like this and be a part of it? Then my family, my friends, and my little son, and he was really excited. He's still excited about it. Mom, are you in the competition? What is happening around? So I felt, okay, I should give it a try. I think every woman deserves to be a little, you know, to get to know about herself. So this is the place where you
And to
need
get pampered?
pampered, explore your, yourself, get to know more about yourself.
Abhimanika. So, Abhimanika, tell me more about your childhood, your growing up years, your education, your family.
I hail from Hyderabad. I was born and raised in Hyderabad, and my entire family belongs to Hyderabad too. I've done my engineering. I was a software engineer.
Wow.
Not anymore. Yes.
And why is that?
Yeah, well, back then my mom wanted me to be an engineer. You know, the software engineer is like a big thing. So yes, I worked for a couple of months and then I got married and my little one happened to me. I was blessed with this little kid. I had to quit, though I enjoy being a mother. I still do. He's the best partner I have. So, and
Are you
slowly-
still working now, or
I
you
quit my job. I stopped my corporate job and I got into Zumba fitness and the dance
Wow,
choreographer too.
that's quite a contrast
It is,
from all the
it is,
education
yes.
you've had, and now
I was always passionate about dancing. My mom is also a dancer, so I love dancing all the time, and so does my little one, and that keeps me motivating. My job helps me meet a lot of people around, so it is good. I get to learn a lot of things.
so beauty pageants and Zumba. Do you think, once you became a dancer, you thought, okay, now let me explore beauty pageants? So how did this transition?
Okay, I always love dressing up well, look good. Every woman does, I'm sure. So I thought I never ventured to participate in a beauty pageant, but now that I thought this is the time I can explore myself. I had seen the other side of me, so let me see the glamorous me. I can just do that coming here. So I know change of costumes, your lovely gowns, your makeup, and I don't get to do a bit of makeup in my day-to-day life apart from few events and occasions. Otherwise, nothing on my face.
So coming here, are you having a great time? Do you want to describe the experience?
Yes, of course. It is thanks to you. You always made us feel so comfortable. And all the other participants, they're very cooperative. And yes, I the first day I was a little nervous when I landed here, and then as the time passed by, and the clothing, designer wear, and the one that I'm wearing. So yes, it's cool. It's cool. It actually makes us feel special.
So have you learned a lot?
A lot. Thanks to Neonica and you guys, and I've learned a lot of things. I'm sure everybody gets to experience different stuff rather than the routine in their life. And this is one of the best experiences I have had till now, because though winning is not about just getting the crown, it's about all your memories, the learning, what you learn from your mentors, you take them back as memories. And
So you're fine if you don't win anything, you'll be
I'll be totally
okay with
fine.
that?
I'll be happy Definitely, see, everybody is here to win. It's a competition. Everybody is working hard to, achieve
Obviously,
that.
obviously.
Yes, I do want to win, but in that case, if I do not win, it's still okay because it's not about competition. Your life doesn't end here. But yes, there's a lot of learning, and I'm sure I'm going to implement a lot of these things in my future.
Awesome, awesome. Abhimanika, we are going to go to the tricky questions now. So let's start. Who do you think is least likely to win?
Okay, that's tricky too. It's hard to answer. Maybe Dr. Suman and Sushma. I don't know.
And who do you think is Miss Congeniality, Miss Popular, who's very sweet?
Yes, Shalini is sweet.
So
with
she's the
everyone,
best
so-
one.
Yeah,
if you
for
would.
me, because she's sweet, she's good with everyone around.
But which girls do you think are really tough competition?
I would say Ruth, Shalini, Aditi.
So those are the three tough competition.
Yes.
Okay, and what about yourself? How do you place yourself?
Well, I already feel like a winner. I would love to be in the top 3 at least. Yes. I'm pretty confident.
Okay, well, thank you so much. I
Thank
think I had a great time talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. We are continuing with our interview round, and right now I have Gurpreet Kaur with me. So let's see what she has to talk about. So, Gurpreet, tell me something very exciting about yourself.
Hi all, Gurpreet Kaur from Amritsar. Basically, it's a very conservative kind of a town, but now everybody is, coming up. So, interesting about me that I've participated in Mrs. India. That's a very, I'm really excited for this.
So, what's the most exciting thing you've done in your life? Other than Mrs. India?
Other than, yeah, I was about to say I've come here, that's why. I'm running a bakery. I had a passion of working actually. So I'm running my business on my own. I feel I'm doing that.
And what were your plans, as a little girl growing up? What did you want to do? Run a bakery? How did that change, or was this your lifelong goal?
No, it was not. I was never planned for the bakery actually, but I'm from a very conservative type of a family. I'm from Ludhiana basically. So I'm from a joint family too. I was the eldest. So the doing work is never, as my father is really well off and he never wanted me to work. After my marriage, after my kids, they gone busy to the schools and all, then I thought of doing something. I couldn't watch those serials and sit at home and going to the kitties. I really wanted to do something different. I started with Ladies Club in Amritsar and it really did well, and every year I used to host some Karwa Chauth events and I used to organize those. And yeah, from that I just really wanted to do something different. I wanted to know myself more. So I thought of coming here.
So, what do you see in the future? How do you think this event is going to affect your life?
It really affected me a lot. I have seen so many people, they are very, very talented, very, very talented, I must say, because my world was restricted to my bakery and my home. Here, after coming here, I just realized many more to learn, many more to do, and many more to. I'm really attracted to all this, really.
So you feel, all this time you were like, oh, I know it all and everything is perfect.
Yeah,
And
actually.
coming here,
Actually,
you
this
feel there was
happens.
so much more to life.
Yeah, seriously.
And so this is a great experience. You are going
Very
to take
good
home all
experience.
positive thoughts.
Yeah.
No negative.
No negativity.
So if you don't win anything,
oh,
you're fine.
That's okay.
That's
But
totally-
I'm winning. What I'm winning is I can't express in words. I'm winning every day, every second. The friends I got here, I got you here, and everything. I'm really loving it. Really, really loving it.
Awesome. What does your family have to say about this?
Family, they are also excited what's going to happen, and they're waiting for my calls every time. What all I'm doing here, they're really excited.
Do you have
too.
kids?
I have kids.
So tell me about that.
I have 3 kids, and my elder daughter, she's 19 years, and my little two children, they are 14 and 12.
Are you kidding me? Oh my God, she's got a 19-year-old.
Yeah,
That's,
she's elder one.
wow.
And
So 19?
and 14,
14.
and 12.
Oh my God. So how do you manage this? You know, looking after kids, running a business, and then
Actually,
you're
that's
here.
why when I decided for the business, I put my children to the hostel. It was in my mind previously only that I had to put them to the hostel, because in Amritsar, I guess a little scope of education is, I feel something is missing.
Doesn't matter if they're hostel. You know, you
Yeah.
are still a full-time mom, constantly
Yeah,
worried
obviously,
about
but
them.
as a daughter is there, I
Yeah.
have my family. We are in a joint family, so I have to look after that also. But they are very cooperative, and I really can do that. I really can well manage because of them only. So,
Very nice.
I really want to, but if
So
I'm
who
capable,
do you think is tough competition? You can name 3 or 4 girls. You can name one person.
with me,
Yes.
I can name 13 only. I feel a tough competition because see, everybody is at their best, and I won't say that only 3. I can say everybody is doing so well, so well, so well. I feel sometimes that I lack in something. Seriously, because see, after marriage, after this, after everything, they have also come after. Leaving their homes back. So I guess everybody is a winner. I will not say she's not good, she's not good. Everybody is best. I'm learning from them also. Seriously, I'm loving all.
Okay, thank you, Gurpreet, and have a great time.
Pleasure.
Thanks. Sushma, how are you? कैसे हो आप?
I'm really fine. I'm doing so well. I'm enjoying.
You're having a good time?
Very nice.
So tell me something about yourself.
I'm Sushma. I am from Delhi. I am an IT professional and I work with HCL in Noida. I'm a track lead, software and hardware company. And I have a husband, of course, and I have a baby girl. She's gonna be 2 years in December. And
Wow, a 2-year-old girl. Isn't it tough for you to be here without your kid?
it's really tough. It's
Have you
really
left
tough,
her before?
but yeah, many times. Whenever I travel from my company, so I have been to many other countries and I leave her with my mom. So I'm really blessed that I have a mom who really takes care of her, and trust me, she really takes care better than me. That's the best thing.
Yeah, you know what?
She misses nanny more rather than
Having
me.
having a mother to look after your kid, it's like the best part.
Best, yeah.
What about beauty pageants? How did you think of coming to the pageant?
See, I was aware that you can get fame, of course, from these kind of pageant, but my actual purpose was, to learn more about myself, what actually I'm doing, because everybody used to tell me, Sushma, you are at the wrong place. You are not meant for the IT. You are not meant for the, softwares. Go into the industry and you will surely get something, if not the best, something. And I think I have that passion to have the best.
So how come you didn't pursue modeling, if that's what you're mentioning to, before you got married?
So this is what I'm telling. People told me that you are at the wrong place, because my parents asked me to get into this B.Tech and everything, and then I obviously got a job and I started earning very well, and I love traveling, and I got chance to travel a lot. So this was like wow, I get to travel so many countries on company's expenses.
Yeah.
So it was
So did you
fun.
get married early?
Yeah, 4 years back.
So is that the reason why you didn't pursue a modeling career?
No, it was after
You never
marriage.
thought of it?
Yeah, I never thought of it.
Okay, so tell me, what do you think about beauty pageants?
I think if any women want to, take the real out of her, real person out of her, she should try this. I was, having no idea this is going to be so amazing. I thought it will be very formal, but I'm really happy that I'm going to meet such people, so inspirational, I'm so happy. Even from, doesn't matter who are you are an inspiration for me. I'm so glad, trust me.
So are you having a great time,
I'm
learning a
really-
lot?
Yes, really, I'm having a great time. And what I have learned, I'm gonna keep it for my whole life.
So how do you think it will change your life?
Hope for the best. I'm hoping a lot. I think I'm going to get something very interesting, and maybe I will change people's mentality. I'm actually not meant for the IT industry. I'm meant for this place. This is my place.
So now we'll ask her those tricky questions. So who do you think is your biggest competitor in this competition? Because every girl assumes they are the winner, so it's best to ask them, who do you think is tough competition?
Tough competition. It's very early to decide because.
So you mean to say for the past few days you've been looking at the photos and now after meeting them, that thought didn't come to your mind?
No, it does.
Yeah,
It
so
does.
let's hear, who do you think?
Abhimanika, because she's really fit. I like her fitness and stamina.
Okay, who else? Can name a few.
Personally, I didn't notice these girls a lot, but
So there's only one who do you think thinks, oh my god, she is the queen, she's gonna win?
I don't think anybody is like that.
Maybe you? Okay, well, thank you so much,
Thank you,
Sushma,
thank
and you enjoy the rest of the
Thank
stay
you so
here.
much, ma'am.
Take
We are
care.
really blessed to have you.
Thank you. I will be talking to Pratibha. Pratibha, how are you doing today?
Hi, very well. Thank you so much.
So, are you having a great time here?
Yes, I'm sure everybody is having a gala time.
So, tell us more about your last 3 days.
The last 3 days were filled with fun, grooming. We learned so much, and it was really a very positive and enriching experience.
Tell me how this whole confidence, okay, I'm going to go.
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine.
So, what made you participate in Mrs. India Beauty Queen?
It's actually a very good platform for married women. And yeah.
So, it's been a dream for you? Did you always want?
Obviously, it's a dream for every girl, every grown-up woman to become something in a fashion world, to get recognized as a fashionista or something like that.
So, what about your education? What have you been doing?
I have been studying a lot.
Okay.
Currently, I've done engineering, then I've done my MBA in HR, and then I've done law. Now I am exploring the other world, that is called the fashion world here.
So, you've been busy studying. So, what about your career plans?
Right now my plan is to get selected as a judicial magistrate. So for that I'm taking proper coaching.
So very nice, very busy. Very nice. Well, good luck to you and hope you do that soon. Hi everyone, this is day 3 and we are starting with our interview rounds, and with me I have Veena Jain from Bangalore. So Veena, how are you doing today?
Fine. I'm in cloud 9 already.
So tell me, how was your stay till now?
Oh, it's wonderful.
So you're having a great time?
Yes.
You feel like it's a competition or you're having fun?
It's both, it's a competition and fun, both.
So are you stressed out a little bit?
The day 1 I was, but not now.
No,
Because
no.
I got familiar with other contestants. Now I'm fine.
So you're happy now.
Yes.
And do you want to go back soon?
No. In fact, I want to extend my stay.
You want to extend your stay. Well, you're more than welcome. After the pageant, we're all going to party. So I'm going to tell all the contestants, feel free to stay here. So now tell me, why do you want to participate in Mrs. India Beauty Queen?
Yeah, actually, it's like a dream coming true. I always had a dream, like once in my life, I should enter this
Beauty pageant?
pageant, and it's happening now. And I really feel there's no age bar for anything.
Amazing, amazing. So now you are starting this new chapter in your life
Yes,
of becoming a
yes.
beauty queen. And you think you'll be a good beauty queen?
I think so. That's why I'm here.
What about your family? What do they think about it?
Yeah, even same way. What I'm thinking.
So they are very supportive?
Very supportive. Especially my husband is supportive. Even my daughter is quite supportive.
So what
Especially
is
more
the...
than my husband and my daughter, my mom.
Oh my God.
You have to go. Don't miss the chance.
That's awesome.
Yes.
So now what kind of advice does your husband give you?
He
How...
said, just go in an open mind. I know you are beautiful, but go in an open mind and be yourself and be you.
Just enjoy the
Just
experience.
enjoy and you will definitely win. That's
Awesome.
what he said.
That's very nice. You know what? You half the battle is won when you have your family with you.
Family, yes, I know.
If
that,
they
yeah.
are not with you, there's
Sure,
no
yes,
use. You will
yes.
not even enjoy the experience.
yeah.
So I think it's very important to have that support. Anything you want to know? Any questions?
No.
It's all good. Well,
Yes.
thank you so much, Veena.
Thank you.
And have fun, and we'll talk soon. Take care.
Thank you.
So hello, I'm sitting with Suman Lata. She is from Indore, and let's hear all about her. Let's see what she has to tell. So hello, Suman. How are you doing?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
So you're from Indore.
Yeah, ma'am.
So tell us your journey to MIBQ. How did you reach here?
I have aim in my life that I have to do something after marriage, after baby, and I have settled in all my career, my family life. So I have craze to explore again and again. I have passion to do something in glamour industry, and just I want to prove here. That's it.
So you think coming to a beauty pageant is the perfect
Yeah,
image
of course,
changer
that's
and the platform you're looking for?
Yes, of course.
So tell me, from the day you've come here till now,
Yeah.
how are you feeling?
I feel I
You want to talk in Hindi? Go ahead. No
Yeah,
issues.
sure.
I can understand Hindi.
actually I think I am in process of changing myself. I am becoming more glamorous, more beautiful, more organized, and adapted to the situations, like कैसे हमें situations को adopt करना है. Wardrobe skills आ गए हैं, and how to walk and talk.
So आपको
There are so-
walking वगैरह
Yeah, there are so many
बहुत
changes.
difference
Yeah,
लग रहा है.
Yeah, of course.
Very nice. How about you tell क्यों आपको लगता है आप ब्यूटी क्वीन बन सकते हैं?
Yes, मुझे लगता है yes I am beautiful. And yes I want to tell one thing कि मेरे बेटे ने इंस्पायर किया है मुझे, एंड मेरे बेटे ने रैमवॉक सिखाई है मुझे. He is 11 years old. He daily
Oh, that is
see
so
on
funny.
YouTube कि
अच्छा.
मम्मा आपको ऐसे वॉक करना है, चलो आपका. He make a diary and all time table. Mama, you have to eat this. you don't eat chocolates and all that. You have to go for this pageant, win for me.
Wow.
He
And
is
how many children do you have?
Only one son.
And he is into the, you know, all the glamour and wants
No,
you
he
to.
always say कि मम्मा को बड़ा अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ मिसेस इंडिया में जाना. He always watching me कि मैं देखती हूँ फेसबुक पर साइट्स देखती हूँ या ये जितने भी पेजेंट्स बड़े ध्यान से देखती थी मैं, तो उसको लगता था ये मम्मा ब्यूटीफुल है मेरी मम्मा. ऑफ कोर्स सभी बच्चों के लिए उनकी माँ ब्यूटीफुल होती है. एंड आई फील सो he is so cute ना.
That is so
Yeah.
beautiful.
He always make timetable कि ये करना है मम्मा ऐसे करना है.
What
Question
about-
answer he gave me and I just
Practice
yeah,
those with him?
Yeah.
You practice the
Yes.
question answer
He
round with him?
act like judge and I answer him.
So it's been quite a fun project.
Yeah.
टेंशन भी थी जब आपको पता चला कि
Yes.
ये सब राउंड्स के लिए प्रिपेयर करना
Yes, I
है.
had.
So फिर कैसी टेंशन थी आपको बताइए.
टेंशन थी, मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं कैसे बोलूंगी, तो जस्ट माय सन टोल्ड मी मम्मा मैं प्रैक्टिस करा रहा हूँ, आई एम योर जज एंड जस्ट स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. एंड वॉइस क्लैरिटी उसने सिखाई कि हाउ टू बी क्लियर, हाउ टू यू डू.
So 11-year-old को इतना कैसे पता है?
डोंट नो.
Very nice. What about?
passionate about me actually.
Yeah.
वो सारे we
You
are
figured
friends.
it
Yeah,
out.
we are
Yeah.
friends.
What about your husband?
Oh, he is very nice person, very simple person.
So he was watching you do all this and he was very
he
happy
said,
for
you
you.
do whatever you want to do, you can do.
Very nice, very nice. Well, that's it. Thank you so much. And hope you have a great stay here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Being her. She's contestant number 2. So Pinky, let us know about yourself, how you're doing today.
I'm finding myself to be true of my vision, like what I wanted to be in my life.
You've landed there today.
Yes. How would I thank you? I don't know. But I'm finding myself coming out here.
So you think, so describe yourself
Uh,
before coming here, let's
I am
say.
a beauty with heart. Like I work as a counselor. I love to be with children, underprivileged children, and with old age homes and all stuff. My in-laws family works with NGOs and all. And I'm a simple female, dedicated, hardworking. I love to be myself. I love to explore people. I love traveling. I think my strength comes from my confidence. Whatever I feel I should go ahead, I don't stop myself. I just get ahead. Like if I need to travel, if I need to know people. Patient was in my head since 2 years. Like I was asking my husband, is it safe to go? How will I, like मैं कैसे जाऊँ उधर? और वो अच्छी होती है मेरे लिए. My husband is like, तू stop करने से करने रुकने वाली नहीं है, तू चली जा. और क्या पता तू आगे. Every human being needs a platform to get ahead in life. I think this is the platform for me.
So all your life, before you got married, were you always interested in modeling and show business and
I was
glamour?
I was interested more into NGO stuff and to beautify myself with a purpose.
So when did it start? When did you realize, okay, I need to do something more now?
I got married at the age of 19, just after my TY. And soon after that, I had a miscarriage. And now, like, I'm blessed with 2 daughters. Now, I thought, बहुत हो गया, बहुत सबको कर लिया, देख लिया, अभी खुद के लिए सोचूंगी, खुद के लिए करूंगी. At least, the last moment when God will ask me, बेटा हो गया तुम ऊपर आ जाओ, मैं बोलूँगी नहीं नहीं ये चीज़ मैंने achieve किया है और ये किया, I did for myself.
No, that's true. You want to, at some point, you know, do stuff for yourself. So it's good. So why do you think beauty pageants will help you with that?
Ma'am, I think since 3 days I'm out here, right? I'm knowing myself and people are like, Pinky, tum kitni achhi ho, but this kind of compliment I would never get on my workplace and all stuff.
Why is that?
Like, might be,
People, you didn't get a chance to connect with people, I think. It's always so busy with
busy
other
with
things.
other people, busy with doing for others. Now every second I invest for myself and My daughter was telling me, like, Mom, आप makeup में इतनी सुंदर लगते हो, आपको पता नहीं है. I've never touched anything in my life. Now you guys made me look so beautiful. I'm like over the
Moon. So you wear these gowns
I
usually,
wear this gown, but
but you didn't do the complete look.
yes, yes.
So now you
I
can feel a different, level of
not the different.
glamour.
I'm the different Pinky now. I would portray myself to be the what I wanted since my childhood. I got it.
So now when you go back, how is it going to affect your life?
I wouldn't stop myself now. Pinky would be unstoppable for you.
That's awesome. Is there anything else you want to tell about yourself? What about your career? I know you've been working with
I
NGOs.
work as a child.
Your education, what
I
did you do?
my graduate in psychology, and I added my degree with fashion designing. I did a stylist, and I have done a portfolio at Nayanika ma'am, and I'm so glad.
When was that? Now or long before?
Long. I was in college.
So you had done a portfolio shoot with her?
No. We were supposed to do a portfolio on some model. And
Oh,
she
wow.
was like my, how would I explain myself?
Your role model or somebody you
I used
looked up to?
Yes.
Oh my God, that is so cool. So did you tell her that?
I told her, I was like, ma'am, आप वही हो ना वो बाल
वो
कली
the
कली
curl.
होते थे. Am I right? Like आप वही हो? It's like Pinky मैं वही हूँ. I'm like, I don't know. How would I thank you,
So
ma'am?
that's like your dream come true almost.
Every second the things are getting what I expected from universe to bless me. And the universe is blessing me by connecting.
That's
getting
very
connected with you
positive.
guys.
That's such a positive way, to put all of this together. Well, obviously people are, you meet people, you are at a certain place, it's always for a reason. So I think this in
This is
itself
very-
is what you wanted.
This is a platform for me.
So I know you've been pursuing very aggressively when you were, even before the pageant, you were making sure, and you ended up paying the fees to a wrong, your registration, I think 3 times
Yes.
to a wrong company. So we said, you know what, just don't register, you just come to our company, we'll figure out later.
But I am like, how would I thank you all guys? 3 cheers to MIBQ.
Thank you.
And I would like, once I get back to Mumbai, I would say every married female, please MIBQ जाओ और अपने आप को पहचानो.
So you are from Bombay and you live in Nepal? What is
I
it?
am from Mumbai. I am from Nepal. I'm
Okay.
born in Nepal.
Okay.
I'm from a small hill town called Dharan.
Okay,
Then I did my study from Kathmandu.
okay,
Then I pursue my graduation from Pune.
Okay.
Throughout my journey,
so that's why you have the Indian touch to you.
yes,
And now you went back and you're living in Nepal.
Mumbai.
Oh, you're living in Mumbai now.
Yes.
Great. So, well, thank you. And you go back to Mumbai and you will talk about us, I know now.
I would thank. In what way I don't know, but
That's
you guys
okay, we
have
understand.
given me the different Pinky,
Well, that's
and
very
I
nice.
think the people around me would have a different vision for me.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so
Thank you,
much
ma'am.
and have a great time ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're
Thanks a
welcome.
lot.
Oh, hello. Today we've got Ruth with us. She is from Bombay and Qatar, and she'll be telling us more about herself. So, Ruth, let us know, who is Ruth?
I was a cabin crew for 5 years with the world's best airline, Qatar Airways. The marriage happened in December, 8 months now. I'm very happy. I married an Italian who's a pilot. So he is pushing me to, pursue my aviation because I love flying. I love wing walking, so I'm going to go to Washington soon to do my wing walking training. And I'm also doing a private pilot license because I love aerobatics. Modeling has always been there in my blood since childhood. So Mrs. India, I think, is that platform where, I can follow my dreams and I can be a wife and, it's just all balanced. I can be whoever I want and still be a housewife.
So, modeling and being a pilot, this is all that you've thought of. So, it's kind of, they both are pretty glamorous jobs. So, so after that, what do you plan to achieve by becoming, let's say, Mrs. India? what is the reason that you want to become Mrs. India?
Well, first of all, because I have traveled a lot, I have seen many women how they are different from what I have back home. I think the society in India needs to change, needs to be more open to ideas, not so open that you ruin what we have from history. Because women in the beginning, you know, they were like fighters, warriors, and we have that in our past. So let's keep that going. You know, that is what I want. I can be a pilot, and I can still inspire women to be a pilot, because in India, not many women want to be a pilot.
So what's the process? When are you becoming a pilot?
By next year,
And you've already started your training?
I'm studying now. Yes.
So you're going to appear for an exam and then to do all the theoretical part, practical part, I mean? Got
I
it.
started learning basic maneuvers, so my husband is teaching me that.
Very nice. What about kids and in-laws? Do you want to tell us something?
Well, sadly, I don't have in-laws because they passed away when my husband was 15.
It's really
I miss
sad.
that, so I will miss it for the rest of my life. But somehow I feel connected with them. Kids, until now we are still young, both of us. We both are 27, so
So you're enjoying your life. Anything that you would want to tell about yourself that you think is very interesting and you'd want me to know?
I come from a very closed family. If I go to my house, I can see that I'm different. My husband has seen that I'm different. I'm independent. I take my decisions. I fell many times in my life. I failed. I cried. I got bruised. But you know what? I want to keep going. There's some place where I want to reach, and I'm not going to stop. Nothing is going to stop me. And that's what I feel. You know, is different in my house, because my family is so laid back. And okay, you know what? It's going to happen someday. If I want to make it happen, I will make it happen. And that is what I see different from me and my family.
What about giving back to the community? Have you ever been involved in it, or do you plan to? What do you think about it?
I have been parts of NGOs when I was in India, but 6 years ago I moved out, so never really done that. It would be nice to go back and do it,